pukul 9 pagi dia ambil dayang munting, Pulau Singa Besar, Pulau Beras Basah. Inilah
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you. You're standing by that window, playing your guitar, and if I close my eyes,
me from here, bring me back again. Give me the classic, something romantic. Give me warm when I don't even have.
I can almost hear your song. A picture of you. A picture of you. And I remember every day that I spent with you. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't know why I let you go, but I was young and dumb, and all that I've left from that time is a picture of you. I could talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night, and when morning came we make breakfast in bed.
Species in Langkawi, and also when we go to the open sea, you might chance upon what we call dolphins. Yeah, Langkawi is surrounded by a lot of cave, and then in the cave, like what I told you, you'll be seeing bats, okay, stalactites, stalagmites. Okay, it's very dark in there. Don't make too much noise, otherwise. years old. Yeah? But these seals are much older. Those who have like sandals, you can just walk through. If you want to get like house shoes, maybe you like to remove your shoes.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow, but I'm here to hold. And oh my love, don't worry about the cold just yet. The trees haven't started to shed. Just feel the summer sun as it warms our bed. I'm lying, and I'm lying when I say I'm not afraid, but I'm trying to shelter you from pain.
Like now they covered by water because water is fully high tide.
Not yet. We are not ready yet.
You try first. No, I'm just joking.
Oh, wow,
Okay.
so friendly.
You can see.
Once more.
His name Ali. Ali. Okay guys, I want to show you sea bass.
First time to time.
Giant trevally.
Wow.
Yeah, the giant trevally inside the fish is so aggressive. You guys cannot feel like a stingray. You feel like stingray, finger will gone.
Oh.
We got half a sea bass. You know sea bass?
Sing
Yeah.
Sivas.
Yeah, sea bass inside. I've just put the
Simbang.
black one only.
It's very
Yeah, the sea
delicious.
bass, Langkawi, the black color like that. The fish are very rare. The fish are so hard to find in Langkawi. Yeah, just the chance maybe just 3% for find fish.
Oh.
Yeah, we can see the shadow only. But for the water is not clear. Yeah, the fish inside you can look the fish not moving. It's a fish are very lazy. Yeah, they feel lazy but they can alive for a long time, maybe 20 or 30.
To come back and have your lunch. But it's not now, it's going to be around 2 o'clock later. So you will go to the tour first. After finishing, they come back to get your lunch, okay? So in your lunch, we give you a very... One vegetarian? Any vegetarian or vegan? One?
One.
Take the shape of a crocodile head. Okay, you have to use a bit of imagination. Okay? See it? No?
younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out.
There's two types of eagles we can see here. The brown one is called the Brahmani kite. Yeah, you notice that the brown eagle? It's a very small eagle, but because of this population, this eagle seawater condition, tidal stream where the tide goes up and goes down, and also in the muddy condition. Yeah, that's why nature gives them a special. Gorilla or King Kong mountain, it's like gorilla. Oh yeah. We call it a Tanjung Ruby. It's already part of our mainland. Certain time of the year, it's called the low tide phenomenon. For 1 or 2 days in a year, the tide is so low, you can walk from the resort to the 3 islands. Okay?
We ran from home just to scare them. We were free when we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we